In this video,
we will learn how to install Menyoo Mod in GTA 5. In order to install Menyoo Mod for your GTA 5 game, firstly all you need to do is open up your browser. After opening up your browser, from here you need to type Menyoo Mod and you'll be redirected to the GTA 5 mods website. From here you will go and download the latest version. So just click on downloads in here from the all versions tab to the latest version. Now your download will start. So as you can see, my Menyoo mod is downloaded. Now we need to download another file. The other file will be script hook v, which is necessary to run script mods in GTA 5. From here we'll just click on the first link. After that, we'll click on download. Now both of our files are downloaded. Now we need to head to the GTA 5 install directory. So now we are in the GTA 5 game directory, and in order to install these mods, firstly we'll need to extract them in here. After that, we'll just go into both of these files and copy the elements from there to the GTA 5 directory. So I'll start with script hook. Now from here we'll go into the bin folder. Now we'll copy the 3 DLL files from here, then paste them into the GTA 5 install directory. After that we'll go into the Menyoo mod folder. From here we'll copy the Menyoo ASI and Menyoo stuff folder, then paste them in the GTA 5 directory. After doing that, all you need to do is open up the Rockstar Games launcher. From here, you will select the GTA 5 that you have installed. Then go to the settings menu. From here, you will disable the Battle Eye anti-cheat. And after that, you can just launch the game as usual. Now after getting into the game, if you press F8, you can see that the Menyoo Mod Manager is present and you can use various features from here. So this is how you can easily install Menyoo Mod Manager in your GTA 5 game and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.